In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format headings in Microsoft Word. This is a simple yet powerful skill that can greatly enhance the organization and visual appeal of your documents. By the end of this guide, you'll be confidently transforming plain text into structured headings, giving your documents a professional look. Let's start by opening your Microsoft Word file. Once it's open, you'll want to find the text that you intend to convert into a heading. This could be a chapter title, a section header, or any piece of text that needs to stand out and help guide your readers through the document. Highlight this text by clicking and dragging your cursor over it. This action prepares your selected text for transformation into a heading. After selecting the desired text, your next move is to apply a heading style to it. This is a great way to make sure your document is properly formatted and consistent throughout. Using heading styles also enables you to create automatic tables of contents later on, which can be really helpful in lengthy documents. Once you've applied the heading style, you might be wondering, how do I get back to normal text? It's quite simple. After your heading is set, just hit Enter on your keyboard. This will effectively turn off the heading formatting, allowing you to continue typing in the default style without carrying over the heading characteristics. Now let's talk about customization, because sometimes the default styles don't match our document's theme or personal tastes. To tweak a heading style to your liking, start by selecting the heading you want to change. For instance, if you're working with heading 1, make sure it's highlighted. Next, locate the Styles dialog box on your toolbar. It may appear as a small button with a tiny arrow. Click this icon, which will open a menu displaying a list of styles. From there, find the heading style you want to adjust. Right-click on it and select Modify. This step is crucial because it opens up a wider array of options, allowing you to tailor font style, size, color, alignment, and more to fit the exact look you envision for your document. Finally, once you've customized the heading style to your satisfaction, you'll notice your document starting to take on a more organized and visually appealing form. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use and modify headings in Microsoft Word. This skill not only enhances readability, but also ensures that your content is presented in a clean and structured manner. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you now feel more empowered to structure your documents effectively. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to explore different formatting options and styles. Until next time, happy formatting.